Hello friends, now see some unsolved examples from your exercise. What is the question? Apply given elementary transformation. Apply given elementary transformation on each of following matrices. Apply given elementary transformation on each of following matrices. So we have given the operation also and we have given the matrix also, and only we have to apply that respective transformation. So the matrix is given 1 0 minus 1 3. So this is the first exercise of your chapter matrix, and operation is given here R1 interchanged with R2. Operation is R1 interchanged with R2. So how will we solve this? So in the solution, what you will write here, 1 0 minus 1 3 is the matrix A, and what is the operation here? R1 interchanged with R2. R1 interchanged with R2 means what? We have to change the first row with the second row. So I am writing here second row first, that is minus 1 3 and then 1 0. Minus 1 3 and then 1 0. So this is the answer for the first example. This was the simple one. Now see the second question from the same. B is the given matrix. So B matrix is 1 minus 1 3 2 5 4, and the operation is given R1 changed to R1 minus R2. So how will we solve this? R1 changed to R1 minus R2. I am writing the B matrix as it is in the answer, 1 minus 1 3 2 5 4, and the operation is R1 changed to R1 minus R2. So after changing this or after applying this transformation, we'll write here equivalent sign. In the last lecture I have told you to write the equivalent sign after this application of the transformation, and we'll do some rough work here, or if you have practice to solve it directly you can solve it. I'm writing this because we should not have any type of mistake. So the operation is on R1, that is first row. R2 will be as it is. So I am writing R2 as it is. R1 minus R2. What are the elements of R1 here? 1 minus 1 3. 1 minus 1 3. Minus what are the elements of R2? 2 5 4. So 1 minus 2 is minus 1. Minus 1 minus 5 is minus 6. 3 minus 4 is minus 1. So these elements now I will write in the first row. So that is minus 1, minus 6, minus 1. So this is the answer for the second example. Now see the third one. Third example from the same exercise. A is the matrix 5 4 1 3, and the operation is given C1 interchange with C2. B is the matrix 3 1 4 5, and R1 interchange with R2. So question is that what do you observe? What do you observe means after finding this transformation or applying these transformations, what we can get in the last. So I am writing A matrix as it is, 5 4 1 3, and operation is C1 interchanged with C2. Now A is equivalent to C1 interchange with C2. That means first column and C2 is the second column. C for column and R for row. In the last I have told you R for row and C for column. So C1 interchange with C2. This is column first and column second. So I am writing column second first and column first as a second column. So 4 3 5 1 is the answer for this. 4 3 is the first column, 5 1 is the second one. I will take this number as 1. Now B is the second matrix which is given in your example, 3 1 4 5. 3 1 4 5. R1 interchanged with R2. R1 interchanged with R2. So B is equivalent to, so R1 first row and second row we have to interchange them. So 4 5 3 1. 4 5 I will write in the first row and then 3 1. So this is the second matrix. See, this is first and this is second. What do you observe from these two? These two matrices are equal, but these are transform matrices. So what I will write here? Therefore two new matrices are equal. Two new matrices are equal. Okay, because new, why new? Because we have transformed them using these operations which are given in the example. So these two new matrices are equal. Here we'll write from 1 and 2. Now we'll move to the next example. Question number 4 from the same exercise. A is the matrix 1 2 minus 1. Operation is 2C2 means, so what this means, in short you can write 2C2 for what? C2 change to 2C2. C2 change to 2C2. This is the operation, but in short you can write this as 2C2 as per this is given in the textbook. Similarly, what we can write here, R1 change to minus 3R1. R1 change to minus 3R1. So first we have given the matrix A 1 2 minus 1 0 1 3, and the first operation is C2 change to 2C2, or in short I can write 2C2. 2C2, both are similar. So now A is equivalent to your first column will be same because there is no change in the first column. Your third column will be same, no change in the third column. 2C2 means multiply the second column by 2. So multiply here by 2, here by 2, means 2 2s are 4 and 1 into 2 is 2. Number this as 1. See the matrix B. We have given the matrix B 1 0 2 2 4 5. 1 0 2 2 4 5. And your operation we have given here minus 3R1 means R1 change to minus 3R1. R1 change to minus 3R1, or in short I can write minus 3R1. So how we can solve this? Keep B matrix we have given. So R2 will be same because there is no operation on second row. 2 4 5 will be same, and minus 3R1 means multiply the row number first by minus 3. So multiply here by minus 3, multiply here by minus 3, multiply here by minus 3. 1 into minus 3 is minus 3. 0 into anything is 0. 2 into minus 3 is minus 6. This is the second matrix which we have transformed. So this is first and second. What we have to solve next? Find addition of two new matrices. Find the addition of two new matrices. So add these matrices. So we'll have here addition of two new matrices. That is what I will write here, that transform matrices, if you add them together, what will be its answer? 1 4 minus 1, this is the transform matrix. 0 2 3, and with the minus 3 0 minus 6 2 4 5. Add them. 1 minus 3 is minus 2. 4 plus 0 is 4. Minus 1 minus 6 is minus 7. 0 plus 2 is 2. 2 plus 4 is 6. And 3 plus 5 is 8. So this is the answer of your example number 4. We have transformed the matrices and we have to find its addition. 1 4 minus 1 with 0 2 3 and then minus 3 0 minus 6 2 4 5. If you add them together, your answer is this. We'll write here from 1 and 2. Example number 5. A is the matrix. Now see, this is of 3 by 3. 1 minus 1 3, 2 1 0, 3 3 1. So what is 3R3? Operations are 3R3 and then C3 plus 2C2. So we have to apply the two transformations one after the other. So first I will write the given matrix A. What is the matrix? 1 minus 1 3, 2 1 0, 3 3 1 is the given matrix. So 3R3. So in short, this is given in short 3R3. That is nothing but R3 changed to 3R3. 3R3 means R3 changed to 3R3. So A is equivalent to now, will the first R1 as it is, second row as it is, 3R3, multiply the elements of third row by 3. 3 3s are 9, again 3 3s are 9, and 1 into 3 is 3. So this is the transform matrix, R3 changed to 3R3. So what is next? And then C3 plus 2C2. C3 plus 2C2. So C3 plus 2C2. This is given in short. Means what? C3 changed to C3 plus 2C2. Now A is equivalent to first column as it is. Will not change the first column. Second column will be as it is. What is the operation? C3 plus 2C2. I am doing here rough work. C3 plus 2C2. So what are the elements of C3 here? 303, 303 plus 2 times elements of C2. Minus 1, 1, 9. So 3 minus 2, 1, 0 plus 2, 2, and 3 plus 9 2s are 18. 18 plus 3, 21. So this is the answer for your question number 5. 3R3. So multiplying the row number 3 by 3, and here C3 plus 2C2. So we have operated C3 plus 2C2. Next example. So next is the matrix 1 minus 1 3, 2 1 0, 3 3 1. This is the same example from the which we have solved in the example number 5. 1 minus 1 3, 2 1 0, C3 plus 2 C2, and then 3R3. In the example number 5, we have solved first 3R3 and then C3 plus 2 C2. So for your information, I am showing you, this is the example number 5 and this is example number 6. Both are same. Operation is only, there is change in the operation. First 3R3 and then C3 plus 2 C2. Here C3 plus 2 C2 and then 3R3. Question is that what do you observe or what do you conclude from example number 5 and example number 6? So the matrix A I am writing as it is: 1 minus 1 3, 2 1 0, 3 3 1. C3 plus 2 C2. C3 plus 2 C2 means C3 changed to C3 plus 2 C2. So now A is equivalent to, obviously, first column will be same, second column will be same. C3 plus 2 C2. I am doing here rough work. What is C3? 3 0 1 plus 2 times elements of C2. What are the elements of C2? Minus 1 1 3. 3 minus 2 1, 0 plus 2 2, 1 plus 3 2s are 6 is 7. This is the first operation, C3 plus 2 C2. And then 3R3. So 3R3 means what? R3 changed to 3R3. So A will be now equivalent to, obviously now first row will be as it is. There is no change in the first row. Second row as it is. Now see, 3R3 means elements of R3 are now multiplied by 3. 3 3s are 9. Again 3 3s are 9. And 7 3s are 21. So this is answer for the sixth example. Question is that what do you observe or what do you conclude from example 5 and example 6? So I am keeping here example 5 also, so that you will get it easily, that what is the change or what is the answer from both. And this is your example number 5 and this is your example number 6. Your answer is coming same. And what is the change in the 3R3 and then C3 plus 2 C2, and here C3 plus 2 C2 and then 3R3. Means if you interchange the transformation, there will not be change in the answer. Means applying first this operation and then this, or applying this operation first and then this, answer will be same. So what we can write in the last? So in the last I can write transformations are commutative. Commutative means what? We can apply this first and then this, or we can apply this first and then this. Your answer will remain same. That means transformations are commutative. Thank you friends.